Orukiiko oru rubiire rugendereire okutungura mutindo gw'omwani aho minisita w'enshonga z'ebyanga Raphael Magyezi arabwira abahingi b'omwani okuguma nibashoroma omwani ogwezire kibahwera okutungura omutindo n'akatare kagwo.
Okunoga kukyali muto
semuhoro banawe ataliyera
ule hali bakunyorekire
babiri mukanganye aho abantu bakahoro bana isyali akura
okukyali green ogwetagwiha mu musi
oyo katara wana okwebitina eye.
Red or
Still, one of the major challenges we have is in the harvesting quality. So I would encourage all farmers to harvest red cherries only. When you harvest the red cherries, the ripe cherries, you maximize their potential value because you maximize or you improve their potential flavor.
Ahanshonga ya parish development model, Minister naashaba bazitungire okuzikozesa gye.
You are using 1 million to get 8.1 million every year.
Emiliyoni kumenya wahere mwkumenya mali awo yamuze emiliyoni munana omwene mabya protocol obolema
Kora abo tungire sente za PPM
wanawa bitunga okasente ya PPM
ziza kusasura amabanzi.
Jonathan David Roland mukuru wa Ageihangwe ekitongole kitungura omwani nagira ngo hino oburemezi oburukubateganisa omukuhinga omwani n'omukugushuubura.
The challenges, infrastructure challenges, farmers face cash flow challenges. I think the biggest problem is we have a blame game going on. Farmers blame the traders for the poor practices, traders blame the farmers for the poor practices. It's quite simple in my opinion. If nobody bought immature coffee or wet coffee, if nobody did it, it wouldn't exist.
The quality of coffee is improving because people used to pick raw coffee, but now they are picking red cherries. And from the red cherries, we are getting good quality coffee which is attracting.
Also told my farmers, let them use the money from the produce to better their lives, to meet their obligations like the school fees, and then save for future development.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.